Okay, I'm going to show you where I've got some content that repeats on different pages in the site. It's used more than once, but I don't want to have to edit it more than once or write it more than once. So I've got a special plugin that does that. It's called Content Blocks. And the two places I've used it are for the credit cards and also for Everything is More Fun in Costume. And I put the credit cards onto the sidebar, and I put Everything is More Fun in Costumes. But I also put the credit cards on the FAQ page whenever I talked about, well, how do I pay for this? So here you can see that there they show up again, and again, and again, and again. So it's really convenient to be able to do that instead of having to set it up, every single time. Just time saving. Anyway, so here is where we do it. On the dashboard, on the admin side, you go to Content Blocks, and there is a list of the two that we have. The footer slogan. Oops, come on. Edit. And you can see in a moment, Everything is More Fun in Costume. Now it's a heading 1, so that makes it a particular size. But on the site, for the whole site, all of the header ones are a particular special font, a more fun font. So it any header one automatically becomes that font. So you can see that in all of these headers as they're going by, and also in that slogan. Okay, so if you wanted to make changes, or just if you wanted to change that totally, you just click Update. And you can see the little timer moving until it's done. And then we'll look at the other one. The credit cards. It'll come up in a moment, and you'll be able to see that I just put 3 images into the library, and we'll talk about the media library in another video. But I put them in here so that they would show up every time. And again, if I wanted to make a change, I would hit Update. I'm going to go back to Content Blocks and show you one more thing about them, and that is that they have a particular short code, and that's all I had to put in every time that I wanted to use these 3 credit cards. I just highlighted this, pressed Control-C, went to the page where I needed to put it, and pasted it with Control-V. Okay, so that's that for content blocks. You can add more if you need them, or you can edit these if you need to.